If your strawberries taste watery, go mushy in the fridge by the second day, or the plant just quits on you halfway through the season, it is almost never the variety. It is how and when you are picking them. Get the harvest right, and the same plant will keep handing you fruit for weeks longer. Stick around for number 4, because that is the one that quietly doubles how long your patch produces. Start with ripeness, because strawberries do not ripen after you pick them. A tomato keeps going on the counter. A strawberry stops the moment it leaves the plant. So if you pull one with a white shoulder up near the cap, that white stays white and that berry stays sour. Wait until the color runs all the way around the shoulders and down under the cap. That is the difference between a berry that tastes like sugar and one that tastes like water. Now, how you take it off. Do not pull the berry. Pulling tears the crown and bruises the fruit right where your fingers squeeze. Instead, pinch the stem about half an inch above the berry and give it a quarter turn. The stem snaps clean, and the berry comes away with its little green cap and a short piece of stem still attached. That stem is what keeps it firm in the fridge. A berry picked with its cap on lasts days longer than one picked bare. Timing matters more than people expect. Pick in the early morning while the fruit is still cool and firm from the night. A berry picked at 2 in the afternoon in Louisiana heat is already soft and sweating before it reaches your kitchen. Morning berries hold. Afternoon berries collapse. Here is number 4, the one I promised you. Go out every single day and take every ripe berry. Even the small ones, even the ugly ones. A strawberry plant is reading the patch. Leave ripe fruit sitting on it, and the plant reads that as, "We are done, we have made seed, we can stop." Strip it clean, and it keeps setting new fruit. Pick every other day, and you get a short season. Pick daily, and you get weeks more out of the very same plants. It is the least glamorous habit in the patch, and it is the one that pays. While you are out there, pull anything soft, gray, or fuzzy, and do not drop it on the ground. Gray mold spreads from one mushy berry to every berry touching it. Carry a second container just for the culls. Between pickings, tuck straw back underneath so the fruit is resting on clean, dry straw and not bare dirt. Wet soil against a ripe berry is a rotten berry within a day. That is where the name strawberry comes from in the first place. Last one, and this is where most of a harvest quietly gets lost. Do not wash them when you come inside. Water gets under the cap and starts the rot. Put them in the fridge dry, in a shallow single layer, and rinse only the handful you are about to eat. So quickly. Fully red to the shoulders. Pinch and twist, never pull. Pick in the morning. Pick every single day and strip it clean. Cull the bad ones into a separate bucket. Straw underneath. And wash only what you are eating right now. Do those 7 things and your patch will outproduce itself for weeks. If this helped, subscribe. New video every week.